Hello friends, welcome to Lorna's Planet. Friends, in this session we are going to learn how to find squares of numbers that end with the digit 5. This is a very easy method and it takes hardly 10 to 15 seconds and this will really help you a lot in your exams. So let us see how we do such a thing. Now let us see. Suppose we have the number 15 with us. So now we'll first have to find its square as it ends with 5. We'll first directly write 25. Just remember that we always have to write 25 for finding the square of any number that ends with 5. Now we have this 1 over here of 15. Now we have to multiply this 1 with the number that comes after it. So after 1 we have 2. So we will multiply 1 with 2, which is 2. So we'll put that 2 over here. So this is what the square of 15 is, 225. Now let us take one more number. Suppose we'll take 25. So again we'll write 25 as it is. Now we'll multiply 2 with the number that comes after it. So it's 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. So we'll put 6 as it is. So 25 square is 625. Now we'll take one more number. We'll take 35. So again we'll put 25 as it is. Then we'll multiply 3 with the number that comes after it. So 4 comes after it. So 4 into 3 is 12. So we'll put 12 as it is. So this is the square of 35. 1225. Now we'll find 45 square. Again we'll put 25 as it is. Now 4 will be multiplied with the number that comes after it. So that's 5. So 5 into 4 is 20. So 20 will be here as it is. And this is the square of 45. 2025. Now we'll find 55 square. First we'll again put 25 as it is. Now 5 will be multiplied with the number that comes after it, that is 6. So 5 6 are 30 and this is the square of 5, 3025. So friends, you see how easy this method is. It just takes 10-15 seconds, and when you sit and multiply 55 with 55, it takes such a long time. So that's why I use this method. It's very fast. We'll take one more example. Suppose 65 square. So we'll write 25 again. Now 6 will be multiplied with the number that comes after it. So 7 into 6, that is 42. So 65 square is 4225. Now let us find the square of 75. So we'll write 25 as it is. Now 7 into 8. 7 into 8 is 56. So the square of 75 is 5625. Now we'll find 85 square. So again we'll write 25. 8 into 9, that is 72. So 72 will be there as it is, and the square of 85 is 7225. Now we'll find 95 square. So first we'll write 25 as it is. Then 9 will be multiplied by 10. So we'll have 90 over here. So 95 square is 9025. I hope you understood this method, friends. It's so easy and it hardly has 3 steps which you need to follow. And please, I hope that your multiplication is really good, or else you'll make silly mistakes in this. Thank you and bye.